Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our 32nd tutorial of Power BI. In the previous class, we have learned how to build basic report with the help of these visuals. Now in today's class, we will talk about more visuals. So in the previous class, we have covered with this basic reporting, and in today's class, we will play with more visuals. Now I will add one more page from here, and let's say this page name is details. So I will use this table visual from here to visualize the details explanation of my data. So I have taken table visual from here. Let me drag this. So I will simply drag and drop columns name from the sales table. So firstly I'll take this customer name, and now products, and then countries. And the last thing is sales. So in this way we can use this table visual. Now we will learn about this matrix visual. So let me double click this visual and drag and drop here. And firstly I will add this date column, which is order date. And now I will add country column as well as product column. And lastly I will add this sales column. And let me make it to the focus mode. And here we guys can see this small plus sign. That means we can expand the detailed information. So let me click on this 1st January, and we can see in 1st of January we have sold products in China and India. So I want to see and which product are sold in China. So I'll just click on here. We can see we have sold bread in China. So in a very similar way, you guys can see the expand detail information with the help of this matrix visual. So let me back to the report. So these two visuals are really helpful for expanding the information or see the detailed visualizations. So here we have displayed the total sales, which was 114K. And for this detail page, I want to see the total quantity. So let me go to the sales table, and I want to see the total quantity. That means how much quantity we have sold. So again I go to the new measure, and simply I create a sum of total quantity. I am using some function here to calculate total quantity, and simply enter my column name, which is quantity, and press enter. Now I'll take card visual from here and simply drag and drop the measure which we have created, which is total quantity. So we can see the total amount of the quantity, which is 112. So here I will display the country wise quantity. So let me take this visual, which is clustered column chart, and firstly I'll enter the country name, and simply drag and drop the total quantity measure. So we guys can see country wise quantity is displaying here. Now I will use this multi-row card. So let me double click on this visual and drag and drop here. And here I will display the total quantity as well as customer name. So we guys can easily see the view that Shubham has sold 20 number of quantity, Nancy has sold 15 quantity, and Rahul has sold 14 quantity. So in this way, you guys can use this multi-row card visual. Now we will talk about this map visual. So let me double click on this map. So again, I'm dropping the total quantity column as well as country name, which is from sales table. So we guys can see in North America, we have sold 31 number of quantity in USA. So in this way, you guys can use these kind of visuals. So we have created two pages of our report. The first one is sales analysis, where we have taken the total sales and we have displayed the country-wise sales and the product-wise sales. And in detail section, we have taken these two visuals to display the detailed version of our data set, and we have used this country-wise quantity and names-wise quantity. And in our upcoming classes, we will study about more visuals from here, and we'll also learn formatting part, which is more interesting. And I will upload separate playlist of visuals where I will tell you what visual should be used in which scenario. So we will cover up complete Power BI understanding. So please stay tuned with us guys for more learning about Power BI and make more practice yourself. So please support this channel and kindly subscribe and share with those who really want to learn Power BI from scratch. And guys, I'm also providing paid training where we have two modules. Under first module, I will train you on full Power BI course from scratch. And under second module, I will train you on interview preparation, where I will teach you scenarios as well as basic questions which frequently asked in an interview. So guys, please stay tuned with us and please support this channel. Thank you so much guys. And the link is given under the description box. You guys can follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you so much.